So yun guys, luluto nga pala ako na itong okay na puso ng saging. Yan guys, puso ng saging guys yan. Ito yung naluto ko na Yan guys Yan. Puso ng saging guys yan. Ito Yan, siya yan Ito yan guys Puso ng saging. Ginawa ko okoy. Masarap din ito, inokoy. Yan guys Sarap yan guys.
A few moments later.
Ayun guys, tapos natin lutuin yung ating inokoy na pusong saging. Ayan guys wow, laki. Wow. Ayan guys, okoy na puso ng saging. Yeah guys, thank you for watching.